Hello friends, welcome to my channel BeUipathChamp. Today I'm going to tell you two things in UiPath. First one is how to count rows in data table and how to get sheet name from data table. So friends, let's start. Here I have already created a demo. First we'll check the demo. Next I'm running a demo of count row in data table. It will count the number of rows in my data table. Let's see. So the total number of row is 5. Let's see, is there 5 rows or not? Yeah. Excluding the header, if we exclude the header, it exclude the header, and we'll get 5 rows. 5 rows. Okay. And the second thing, we'll get the sheet name. So we can see here are this 3 sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. It will iterate through each sheet. I'm running this and see. Yeah, we get the sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. Okay guys, now I will explain you how I did it. First of all, I take a new sequence, named it count rows. So I will take first Excel application scope. After taking Excel application scope, we will take the Excel file where we have saved it. Then we'll take one more activity, read range. We stored the data of Excel in a data table, dt, toolkit dt, and one message box. I will add here one message box which will populate the count of row. So to count the number of rows in a data table, there is a method called rows.count. So here our data table is dt dot rows dot count. That's it. Let's run it. Yeah, we got 5. Here we have 5 rows excluding the header, and we got 5. So by this way we can count the number of rows. And the second thing we will learn today is get sheet name. How do we get the name of sheets in a workbook or in a data table? So here again I will take a sequence. I will name sheet name. Create. Again I will take Excel application scope. We'll take the Excel file location data, then read range, no need to read the data. Here we are just need to count, we just need to get this name of sheet. So we are not here reading the data from data table. Just we will take for each activity, and we need to store the workbook as dt or in a variable. I have saved this in a variable. I have saved the workbook in a variable called dt. Now, in for each activity, we will take a method called GetSheetName. So we'll let dt dot get sheets. Okay, and take message box. Item. Now we will run it and see whether we will getting sheet name or not. So here we will go. We got sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So by this way we'll get the name of sheet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please comment. I will respond it. Okay guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment and share also.